Do you find yourself struggling to pack stuff, especially when you do bulk shopping? Today I went bulk shopping and I bought quite a lot of stuff, and I'll just be showing you a few bits. So this is curry and thyme that I bought. I think Nigerians they call it tiger thyme and curry. So a friend of mine asked me to buy that. It's really good. So I got them. So the next thing I'll do after this, I tell you, I was so tired on that day. I bought also yam. So what happened, we bought, not I we bought a box of yam, myself and my friend, and we shared it amongst ourselves. So five each. In a box is 10, and that's indomie. I'm just taking over this. I bought a box of indomie as well. So we bought the box is 10 in it, and it was about 17 pound or something. So we shared it 5 5. So you can see that the yam is so big. Do you know that one of this yam, if you go to the normal shop to buy, is about 5 or 6 pound? But could you imagine, I got 5 for less than a pound. Anyway, that's my rice. I bought a bag of rice, and this is my cereal. I'm gonna be putting it inside the container and be putting that away. And I did buy plantain as well. I think 3 plantain or 2 for £1.50 is quite expensive, isn't it? Yes, I came across this vegetable, fresh ugu vegetable, so I had to grab it. That's what I normally do when I go box shopping like this and I see ugu. I grab it, cut them, and put in the fridge. So I'm picking them one after the other. I'm going to wash it properly, ensure that all the sand in the ugu, that's vegetable, is all gone, in fact clean. And I'll go ahead and cut the vegetables. I'll cut them in pieces in small quantity, whatever size you want to cut it, and I'll put them in plastic bag. So like I said before, I prefer to buy, when I come across ugu like this, or vegetable, green or whatever, I buy them, wash them. Even if I'm not using them, I wash them, cut them, and put in the fridge, because you don't know when actually you will need it. So that's what I've done. I'm just putting everything in the bag as normal, and I'll put that in the freezer. I'm ready to use whenever I am ready. Okra is part of my bulk shopping, so I normally get okra like this. I chop them and put them in the freezer, so when I'm ready to make food, I'll just pick which one. Also, I bought this pepper. I might have dried pepper, but I always like to buy this one just to keep in case I want to make pepper soup. I'll just pick one or two there and make my either goat meat pepper soup, fish pepper soup, or even sometimes use it to make soup as well. So I have both the dry and fresh. After that, I'm going to go over to my beans. This is Oloyin beans, and it's very expensive, so I buy like a bag that lasts us for a month. Oloyin beans is my go-to beans anytime, any day when it comes to cooking beans. Anyway, what's all this packing and shopping without making dinner for the house? So I'm going to be making lasagna today, which is what we are going to be having tonight. So it's not easy. It's very stressful, but of course, what do you expect? I have to make something for the house. So I'm going to be making lasagna. I've got my sauce already prepped, and I did that off the camera anyways because I didn't want to waste much of your time. So I'm going to get lasagna ready, and that's going to be dinner for tonight. And the kids are so excited. They can't wait to have this lasagna. With lasagna, you have to do it stage by stage, and you need to get it right. Otherwise, you won't like it. So I'm going to be adding cheese. This is not the final stage anyway. So I'm adding my last cheese on it, and I love putting this top up. This I like topping up with spinach, which is what I've done. And I'm going to put that in the oven and allow that to cook. Then I have to do cleaning. It's not easy after packing, cooking, arranging. You have to clean the kitchen. You have to make everywhere look neat and tidy. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. I'm cleaning, washing off the plates, and arranging everything that needs to arrange, wiping the surface and cleaning the floor. Now tell me, when you prepare your meal in the kitchen, do you prepare and wash immediately, or you finish preparing and then you start to do your full cleaning? I would love to hear from you in the comment section how you normally do yours. Do you do cook, clean, or finish cooking and then clean? All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. I have done all the work. Now it's time for me to play. So I'm treating myself to this delicious chocolate mousse. Yes, I have to treat myself while I wait for my lasagna to get ready. If you've stayed up to this point, thank you. You guys are amazing. Please don't forget to follow this page. Just subscribe, like, and do leave me a beautiful comment what you think about this video. And this is my lasagna ready. Looks amazing. Take a look at that. Wow. Thank you for watching.